Unlock the creative powerhouse in your hands with the Nikon Z30 Euro. Let's dive deep. Forget just point and shoot. We're going to maximize your Z30's potential for both stunning photos and incredible videos. First, let's talk about your viewfinder Y Euro, or rather, your screen. The vari-angle touchscreen is your best friend for vlogging, and tricky angles swipe down from the top to access quick settings like ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Tap directly on the screen to set your focus point for both photos and videos, ensuring your subject is always tack sharp. For photography, experiment with the different focus modes. AF or full-time AF is excellent for continuous tracking of moving subjects, and don't miss the eye detection. AFY Euro is a game changer for portraits, keeping those eyes perfectly in focus automatically. Now, for video, the Z30 excels in 4000 to get the most out of it. Explore your picture controls. Standard or vivid can give you a great starting point, but consider flat for maximum flexibility in post-production. Color grading, you can access these by pressing the I button and navigating through the menu. The built-in microphone is decent, but for truly professional audio, remember that the Z30 has a 35mm microphone input. Investing in an external microphone will elevate your video sound quality dramatically. Simply plug it in, and by default, the camera will use the external mic. Finally, don't neglect the creative modes. The Z30 has built-in filters and effects that can add a unique flair to your images and videos without needing to edit later. Play around with them during shooting. Y Euro, you might discover some unexpected artistic styles. Master these techniques, and your Nikon Z30 will truly become an extension of your creative vision. Happy shooting and filming!